How to create and release clipping masks. With your image imported, create the shape or import the image you would like to use as a clipping mask. With that done, go to the Layers dock and place the image you want to clip above the one you want to use as a clipping mask. Right-click on the image on top, and select Create Clipping Mask from the drop-down menu. This allows the image to show only inside the image or shape which you have clipped it into. In order to move both elements, select them from the Layer dock and drag to your desired position. To release the mask, simply go back to the clipped image and right-click on it, then select Release Clipping Mask from the drop-down menu. Another way to clip an image into another image or shape is to use the Alt key. With the image you want to clip on top, hold down the Alt key and place your cursor in the middle of both layers. This makes the cursor icon change. Once it has changed, simply left-click that point, and the image clips inside the one below.